Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to master dual SIM on your iPhone 15 Pro Max in just 4 easy steps. Let's dive in. First, let's insert those SIMs. Use the SIM ejector tool to open the SIM tray. Now, pop in your nano SIM and eSIM. It's that simple. Just make sure they're snug and secure. Next, we need to activate the eSIM. Head over to Settings, then tap on Cellular and select Add Cellular Plan. Here, you can either scan the QR code provided by your carrier or enter the details manually. Follow the prompts and you're good to go. Now it's time to label your plans. Go back to Settings, tap on Cellular, and then tap on each plan to label them. You could name one personal and the other business. This makes it super easy to keep track of which line you're using. Finally, let's choose your default line. Go to Settings, tap on Cellular, and then Default Voice Line. Select which line you want to use for calls and messages. And voila! You're all set. So there you have it. 4 simple steps to mastering dual SIM on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.